So this week on What It Looks Like, I saw this at the in the frozen section, and it was from Red Lobster. And I thought it like combined two of my favorite things at Red Lobster, Cheddar Bay Biscuits and fried shrimp. So this is what it is. It is Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Shrimps. Now that looks really good, and I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Now check out what it says on the box. And because they really like made it sound wonderful. It says, "This is the stuff that dreams are made of." Now that's pretty bold. It's sweet, succulent shrimp breaded with our legendary Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix. It says these crispy, craveable Cheddar Bay Biscuit Shrimp combine two of our signature items, biscuits and shrimp. This is what they claim. It is impossible to eat just one. We're gonna find out if it's impossible to eat just one, or is just one all I can eat because it doesn't taste good. So we're gonna find out today on What It Looks Like. Cheddar Bay Biscuit Shrimp. Now I did make a video of where I prepared the Cheddar Bay biscuits that you could buy at the store. I post a link to that right here. If you've not had a chance to watch that video, I think you'll be surprised at that one. So Cheddar Bay biscuits, how to make that from scratch using their recipe, I post that up here. Now I bought this from Walmart. It was not cheap. It was $7.48, and it doesn't tell you on here like how many it contains. So I'm interested to see, because the box is not really that big. So I don't know how many they can put in here, but we're gonna find out today. And then as always, I thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, just go ahead and knock it out today. That way you won't miss another one of our great, fantastic videos. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, make a comment below. I do my best to answer it for you. If you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see on What It Looks Like, hey, leave a comment below. I do my best to find it for you and then show you exactly what it looks like. So as always, let's go ahead and get it started on What It Looks Like Cheddar Bay Biscuit Shrimp.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, hey, what it looks like.
Let's go ahead and get this box open, see what we got inside. I'm really curious to see how many shrimp we're gonna have in here and how big they are. Okay, I guess a pretty decent amount. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that's not bad, that's not bad. But again, it's $7.48, so I don't know if that's great, but that's what we got. All right, now we gotta spread them out on our pan here. Now the instructions did not say anything about like pre-spraying the pan with like some kind of non-stick spray. So we're gonna trust it. We're not gonna put anything on there. So my inclination is to spray some Pam on there just so it doesn't stick. But we're gonna follow the instructions. That's part of What It Looks Like. We're gonna do exactly how it says to cook it on the box. Come over here, make sure I got 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It was not 12, there are 11 shrimp in here. It's an odd number for a container, for a package. But before we see what it looks like, let's check out the nutritional facts. About 3 servings per container, serving size 3 pieces, calories per serving 170, total fat 4 grams, saturated fat 0.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 50 milligrams, sodium 930 milligrams, and that's only 3 pieces of shrimp. Total carbohydrates, 26 grams. Protein, 7 grams. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is pretty close to the box, I must say. I mean, the breading on here looks really good. It looks like that on the box here, so you can see. You do see flakes of like pepper seasoning on the box. You also see it right here on the shrimp as well. So I really like the way that it turned out. I'm like really pleased with it. I think you will be too. It definitely resembles the box. Definitely resembles the box. So I cannot complain about that. I think they did a really good job with it, and it is not something that is disappointing or displeasing or anything like that. All right, what it smells like. Now, I'll be honest, when I opened the package, I could smell the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix here. So it smells really good. It smells delicious. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, what you smell is the Cheddar Bay biscuit without a doubt. You can smell the shrimp too, though, which is pretty interesting because it's covered with the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix here. But I mean, overall, it smells delicious. It smells like it's seasoned pretty good too. Yeah, it smells like it's gonna taste wonderful, but we're gonna find out here in a second. But man, I like the way it smells. Yeah, no complaint at all. It doesn't smell freezer burn, which, you know, that's always a big topic for me. I do not like things that smell freezer burn, because if it smells it, then it's gonna taste that way too. So this does not smell that way at all. Yep, thoroughly pleased with the way it smells. Now, before I bite into this, let's remember what it said on the back. It said that it's impossible to eat just one. So we're gonna put that to the test right now. So let's take our first one here. Like I say, it smells really good. I do have high expectations for this. So let's go ahead and try one of them and see how it tastes. It's actually pretty good. Now, I feel like I need some water with this because that biscuit, like, it's pretty thick on there. Let's see if you can see it. It's pretty thick crust on there. So, I mean, it's pretty good, but man, it goes in kind of thick. And for me, I have a hard time swallowing. Like, if it's pretty dry, like, I have a hard time swallowing it. And that's kind of how this is. Now, the flavor is really good. The shrimp in there, you can taste it. It's not buried so deep in the biscuit, and so you can't taste the shrimp. But overall, it's not bad at all. Now, I think I could stop with just the one. I don't think I have to eat like the rest of them. I could definitely stop with one, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. So I do like the way it tastes. It's not bad at all. Now, the question is, can I recommend it? And I think I feel okay recommending it for you to try it. Like I say, if you can get around if you don't have an issue with swallowing things that may be a little too dry, it's not like super dry, but if it's too dry, maybe it'll be a little challenging for you to eat. But flavor-wise, I definitely recommend it. I mean, it tastes really good. I like the way it tastes. Got no problems with it at all.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. It looks like it's an 8. Next up is taste. It's an 8. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. 9. Thank you so much for watching What It Looks Like. We are dedicated to bringing you our honest opinion about the way it smells, tastes, and of course, what it looks like. So please like and subscribe today. Don't wait. Why would you wait? And if there is a food product you would like for us to try before you buy, please leave us a comment below. And if we can find it at our local grocery store, we will show you what it looks like.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.